Am I audible? Ankita, Jyotishree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will start with the concept about the variable. As you know that in other programming language, the variable is a location where we store the value, and that value it changes throughout the program execution. Variable is a memory location where you can store the value, and that value is changes throughout the program execution. If you take an example, like if you are going to watch a movie, you are book a ticket for the particular time. Suppose you choose 3 to 5 or 5 to 7. So that particular timing or the particular seat is allocated for you only. So once your show is over, then in which seat you are seated, that seat is allocated to the other person. The variable is like that, where you can store the value, and that value it changes regular basis throughout the program execution. It changes. Like you are writing a program, add the two number. If one person is giving 10 and 20, so the person is adding a number 10 and 20. Then after that, another person, if you are asking for adding a number, maybe that person will store or it gives the number 30 and 40. So it means what? It is depending upon the user what value that you have to pass at a runtime. The variable is like that, where you store the value, and that value is changes throughout your program execution. Now see that how you have to assign the value in a variable and how you have to display it. So I'm showing one example for it. I hope that you have installed Anaconda. Everybody has installed.
Yes, sir. I have done it.
So now I run the program. So maybe sometimes depending upon your operating system or browser, this Python Jupyter is by default it is open, or it is open in a textpad or notepad. Okay, when it is open in a textpad and notepad, you just copy this URL. Okay, মানে এই URL টা तुम्हें copy करना होगा, and then you have to paste it in the browser. Then here new option is present, new Python 3. For running this application, there is no requirement of any kind of internet connectivity. So first time load, it will take some time to load. Now when you choose Python 3, this window will come where you write your program. Then for storing a value like A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 50. So as you know that in other programming language, if it is C, if it is C++, if it is core Java, for storing a value, first you define the data type. Okay, but here there is no requirement to store any value. For defining a value, there is no requirement to define any kind of data type. So here I pass A is equals to B is equals to C 50. Then now for display data, print A, then print B. If you have copy, then ready it, print C. Now check, it is showing you 50, 50, 50. Clear this one? Ankita, Chandan, Jyotishree,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and what is the name who is joining Coco?
Manas.
Manas. Then next program I will pass how you have to assign a value. A is equals to A comma B comma C is equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. If I pass this value, then how it is displayed? If you write here print A, then print B, then print C. Can you expect what is the value of A here? Anyone? What it will display? What is the value of A? And what is the value of B and C? Ankita? Adhyasa, Chandan? Yes?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of A here?
What is the value of A here? Sir, 50. Sorry, value of the A is 10.
Good.
Good.
Okay, then
Okay,
I run this file.
Run this file.
See there. Value of A is 10, B is 20, C is 30. Clear? How it is allocated?
How it is
Yes, sir.
allocated?
Yes, sir.
Now, normally there is no data types in Python, but the way of storing your value, this is divided into the 4 way. So actually, you can say in Python, there is no data type is present, but there is a way that you have to store a value. So based upon this, the data type is defined: numbers, string, list, tuple. The number and string you are already familiar with in the other programming language. List and tuple is a what? It is a new concept or new thing it is added, and it is a new part where you are storing the value here. Now check that how it is actually working. When you directly store var is equals to 10, var2 is equals to 20, it is considered as a number. When you store var is equals to 10, var is equals to 20, it is considered as a number. Then your Python numeric data type is of 3 types. One is your int, which is a whole number. Another is your floating point value, which is like 0.0, 15.20. Next is your complex value. Complex value, it is given as a 3.14j, 14.j. It is a complex value. So your integer value is of three type. You can say it is a complete, it is a whole number. We can consider as it is a integer value. Next is your float value, which is to the fractional. Another is your complex value, which is called as like 3.14j, 45.j. It is a complex value. Got it? Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Manas, Bisal, Jyotisri, Chandan,
Sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now comes to the main program. It is a very important program like Python string. It is having a huge implementation. The string in the Python are identified as a contiguous set of character where you can store the continuous value. When you store the string in a variable, and if you want to access any value, that you have to access any character in a string, then we are using a indexes. आमे तले string ର value pass करिवा, and if you want to access any character, then we pass the index number. तेठी मु pass कली hello world. Okay, now check here. I pass here str hello world. Here I pass. If I write here print str, it is printing you total screen, like it is printing you hello world. If I print, suppose I want to get the age, so I pass here str, then you pass the index number 0. See that it is showing you age here. First it is showing you the full string, then it is passing you age. If you want to access the string, suppose I want to get LLO, then I pass here 2:5. Then check what it will display. String 2:5. If I run this, see that it is showing you LLO. I explain it. Why it is what is the 2 and what is 5? 2 is the index position. Like if you check here 0, 1, 2, so it is retrieve the data from here. What is the 5? 5 is a length. If you count from here 1, H is 1, E is 2, L is 3, again L is 4, then O is 5. So it is printing you LLO. So that we are passing 2:5. 2:5 means first is the index position, second is your call as a length of a string. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here this
sir
one,
second line कौन कहले sir colas
हाँ एटा होची फर्स्ट ए लाइन रे तुमको प्रॉब्लम होची ए लाइन रे थर्ड लाइन कथा कहू
sir third line टा कौन कहले
थर्ड लाइन रो फर्स्ट कहूची जे इंडेक्स पोजीशन मु जदे हेलो वर्ल्ड लिखुची देखो एच हैला 0 ई हैला 1 एल हैला 2 तेनो मोर सर्चिंग टा स्टार्ट हैला कोठी एल रो स्टार्ट हैला नेक्स्ट मु जते लिखली 5 माने मु कहूची लेंथ आमर सब लेंथ टा 1 नु काउंट हो माने इफ बिगिनिंग रू स्टार्ट हैला H ହେଲା 1, E ହେଲା 2, L ହେଲା 3, ପୁଣି L ହେଲା 4, ପୁଣି O ହେଲା 5. ତେଣୁ ମତେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖେଇଲା? LLO ଦେଖେଇଲା। ବୁଝିଲା?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Chandan. Then if I want to get all the records, suppose मते एई 2 परु जहाँ भी अच्छी मते सब देखिबार अछि त मु एठी कोन लिखिबी? So I have to write print string then 2 colon. If I write print string 2 colon, then if you notice here, after 2 it is retrieve all the records LLOWORD माने 0 1 2 2 इंडेक्स पोजीशन परठू जहाँ भी वैल्यू अच्छी सब मते एठी शो कला। बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this line? Ankita, Jyotishree?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Then if I want to print the string name, then I write here print string into 2. See that? If you see the last line, it is showing you hello world 2 times. Clear? Means string into 2 means it is repeat the statement 2 times. Hello world and hello world. Clear? Any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Chandan?
सर
हाँ कुह
सर एटी स्पेस जो अछि स्पेस रो किछि वैल्यू अछि ना डब्ल्यू रो इंडेक्स नंबर सर स्टार्ट कोठो हबो
हाँ स्पेस रो भी वैल्यू अछि हमें जदे एटा काउंट करबा एटा होचे 0 1 2 3 4 स्पेस टा हला 5 पुनी डब्ल्यू टा हला 6 बुझी होचे तो स्पेस टा भी काउंट करियो बुझियला
Yes,
ओके
sir.
सर यस सर
Yes, sir.
then if I want to add something like print string, then I write here plus, suppose test, so it is called as the string concatenation. Okay, hello world then test. Okay, बुझिला माने मु गोटे स्ट्रिंग रे मोर गोटे एक्जिस्टिंग स्ट्रिंग अछि से स्ट्रिंग सहित जदि आ गोटे स्ट्रिंग टाको मु ऐड करबा को चाहूची एटे मु concatenation plus एठी यूज कली तो plus is used to concatenate the two string. Clear?
सर डबल कोट परे गोटे स्पेस देले तो भल देखा जिवो
एठी को
जॉइनिंग टा
अच्छा एबे देखो एबे कोन आसी देखो म एबे आउथरे रन करूची हैला
यस सर
Then next part is your list. The list is a different data type that we are using. List are more versatile Python compound data type. List contain the item that is separated by a comma and enclosed within the square brackets. To some extent, lists are similar to array in C language. You can say it is in Java language. The list is in other language. You can say it is a one type of array, and this list you can represent by using of a square bracket. And if you want to access any element, then we pass the index number. If you want to access all element, then we are using colon. Okay, जदि मु रिवर्स ऑर्डर जंदी मु लिखली इंडेक्स नंबर 1 लिखुची ताले मते कोन करूची ना बिगिनिंग रो डाटा देखुची मु जदि बैकवर्ड बा रिवर्स ऑर्डर रो से इंफॉर्मेशन टा देखिबा को चाहूची ताले मु एठी -1 पास करिवि जदि मु +1 लिखुची ताले फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग माने लेफ्ट पटो जो वर्ड अछि जो वर्ड विथ जो कैरेक्टर अछि सेटा मते शो करिवो जदि मु माइनस लिखुची ताले मोर राइट हैंड साइड रो जो इंफॉर्मेशन अछि सेटा मते शो करिवो बुझियला बुझि पाइला अंकिता ज्योतिष
Yes, sir.
एंड मानस पोकोरे जी जन कर मानस तो
Yes, sir. आज्ञा
बुझियला ए जो कली चंदन बुझि पाइलो तुमे
आज्ञा सर
okay so now I go for the example. Lot of examples are there in the list. First is I pass here like suppose list. I just type what here it is written. I will pass here A, B, C, D, 786, 2.23, John, 70.2. Then I pass another list, tiny list, one, two, three, John. So it is similar to your string. Print. If I pass here list, then it is showing you all the elements. माने लिस्ट भितर जहाँ जहाँ एलिमेंट्स अच्छी मत ये शो कला जदि मु फर्स्ट एलिमेंटा शो करिया चाहूँगी प्रिंट लिस्ट इंडेक्स नंबर 0 So it is showing you. I run the file. देखो the कौन शो कला फर्स्ट एलिमेंट शो कला बुझी होची अंकिता जयश्री ज्योतिश्री
Yes, sir.
बुझिला
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay मते रिप्लाई करथु okay so that I will understand then if I pass here print list 1:3 देखो so it is showing you 0 1 then up to 3 link देखो 0 1 माने 1 रो से स्टार्ट कला 2.23 होची लेंथ 1 2 3 तो मत को जाई गला 2.23 जाई गला बुझियला बुझ पाइला एटा
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नै एटा होची 0 1 तो एठू मोर सर्चिंग का स्टार्ट हला तापर होची अप टू को एक्सटेंड जाय मन देखिबार अछि ना 3 नंबर जाय तो 1 2 3 तो मते ए दीटा इंफॉर्मेशन एटा देखिबा ओके next point is print list two is two if I pass here 2 colon then it is retrieve all the elements after 2 ମାନେ 0 1 2 8 आ परठो जते भी मोर एलिमेंट अछि सब एठी शो कला ए शो कला 2.23 जॉन 70.2 बुझियला चंदन आद्यासा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
next point if I pass print tiny list into 2 print tiny list into 2 then it is showing you 1 1 2 3 john and 1 2 3 john two time it is showing you देखो tiny list रे में कौन लिखी छी 1 2 3 john so it is printing you 1 2 3 john and 1 2 3 john two time it is displayed if I pass here print list plus tiny list then see that print sorry list plus tiny list see that इससे कौन गला ना ये जो दीटा लिस्ट अछि ए बी सी डी 786 2.23 जॉन 70.2 प्लस मते टैनी लिस्ट को भी ऐड कर देला 1 2 3 जॉन को भी ऐड कर देला बुझियला ए दीटा एलिमेंट को भी मोर ऐड करला क्लियर
Yes, sir.
then I will show other program of list sorting the list. For sorting a list, see that here we pass a list name is EAUOI. If I pass here vowels dot sort, okay, so when I pass here vowels dot sort, then here it is showing you, see that ऑटोमेटिक एटा सॉर्टेड हे गला माने लेटर्स गुडा को जदि हमें लिस्ट रो एलिमेंट को गोटे पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर रे हमें सॉर्टिंग करबा तटा vowels dot sort method is used. The sort method is used for sorting the elements. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The next program I go for a reverse. How I have to show in a reverse way. See that here I pass the list as Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Now here it is printing you the original list. So after the original list, when I pass in the reverse order, so I am passing another variable. It is the variable define है गोटे है systems variable आ गोटे है reverse underscore list गोटे variable रहा तो फर्स्ट रे मते कौन प्रिंट करिवो मते ओरिजिनल लिस्ट जहाँ अच्छी मते प्रिंट कला जहाँ अच्छी देखो विंडो मैक ओएस लिनक्स एटा जहाँ अच्छी मते प्रिंट कला नेक्स्ट रे कौन प्रिंट कोची सो व्हेन आई राइट हियर systems double colon -1 that is retrieve all the record in a reverse order तो मते शो कला कौन ना linux mac os then windows clear अंकिता
Yes, sir.
जैसे लास्ट में किए जॉइन कला बी ये देखिए मैंने ऑडियो रे जॉइन करना है that is a reverse list then another way for reversing the order so that is a -1 is used for reverse the value that is the another way for reversing the value like here I pass Windows Mac OS and Linux original list is system then when I use the reverse method it is also showing you the updated record see there original list is Windows, Mac OS, Linux. When I use a reverse method, मतलब reverse method यूज करूची again से reverse यूज करा हमें दीटा वे रे reverse करी परिवा either हमें -1 लिखी के reverse करीवा or else हमें reverse method यूज करके भी reverse करी परिवा बुझियला चंदन मानस अंकिता
Yes, sir.
so when the time is lapsed again you have to join within the same link then if I remove any item from list see there here I pass my list problem so if you want to delete any record so delete my list 2 position so 0 1 2 माने टी o टाको से remove कला so it is remove what o so after removing o so it is showing you p r b l e m so then delete 1:5 तो ये जो लिस्ट रहला एटा हला करंट लिस्ट एक करंट लिस्ट रा 1:5 मो डिलीट करियो तो p टा हला 0 इटा हला 1 देन लेंथ हला 5 1 2 3 4 5 माने मते एई चारटा मोर रिमूव हला तो मोर आ रिमेनिंग कोन रहला p आउ m रहला तो मते एटी p आउ m देखेला बुझियला
Yes, sir.
आ देखो तापर मु लिखली delete my list when I use delete my list then it is deleting all the list पूरा डाटा को डिलीट कर देला तापर मु जता प्रिंट करबा को चाहूची तो मते एरर देखेला my list is not defined because I have already deleted all the records is it clear